Hi, Franklin Pillsbury here with MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida, and I'm excited today to bring you a new listing, one I just put on the market. This is a 26-foot Sea Ray Sundeck. Yes, this is a stern drive. It has the 350 Magnum, 300 horsepower, nice big full swim platform across the stern. You also notice on the port side the wash down so that when you come out on the 4-step ladder, you can rinse off if you like. Also, it does have a dockside system for purging and cleaning the salt water out of your motor for flushing it. Also, a great full Bimini top for plenty of shade. Nice big walkthrough coming out of the swim deck area. And as I mentioned, a super nice 350 mag MerCruiser 300 horsepower. Boat runs absolutely wonderful. You notice across the boat here we've got a nice seating area. I've got the helm seat on the port side right now turned around so that you can use it as part of your entertainment area here in the back. Nice big lounge seat across the stern so that you got plenty of room to seat friends and people there. You'll also notice that we've got the bolster down. You can raise it up so that if you want to stand up and drive behind the boat, you got plenty of room there as well. Nice wet bar. Underneath you've got storage for a little trash receptacle as well as items you might bring on board with you. Nice table so that sitting around you can enjoy cocktails or snacks, whatever you might have. And that stores forward. We also have another one that'll go up here on the bow of the boat as well. Right now I've got the cushions in place to show you how you can convert your seating area up front into a nice sun deck. But you also have a great seating area up here, including armrests that come up so that adults can sit and enjoy. Forward under the hatch, you have a ladder that will go forward so that if you're beached or like up at Cabbage Key where you have to come off the front of the boat, very easy to do. Also, that's where your anchor, chain, and line stores. Below that, a little cooler so you can keep your drinks up front here cool, and another wash down to clean your feet off when you come on the boat. Underneath this area, we can close the door here as well as the windscreen to keep the wind out, but you'll also notice this is the main location for your stereo as well as the master switch and a big ice chest to keep drinks and ice in there ready to go. Helm is really nice, complemented with a Garmin GPS unit. Big screen, easy to read. Got the wood grain steering as well as the MerCruiser single shift and the custom gauges. Super nice stereo system. You can really crank it up. It sounds great. And one of the nice features, of course, on this boat is you've got a nice big head cabinet here for people to get in and to use the pump out head that you have down there below. Once again, big nice cockpit, full Bimini top, 350 MerCruiser. This boat is absolutely ready to get out here on the river and enjoy. We're in the best time of the boating season for runabouts. You can run up the river towards downtown to the restaurants, go to Cabbage Key, go to South Seas, wherever you might like to go. I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Give me a call.